Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Once again, we meet for a new video, and today we have wonderful news regarding our ELECTROATOM Free Energy project. So, what will we talk about today? About the presentation of our projects, but also about the achievements we have made to date. So, stay connected and you'll know exactly what will happen in this video. Let's go. Now, regarding our partners and representatives, we have added a new option on the site. As for the partners, there is an option where you can view the history of all your payments made, very nice payments, and everything is detailed on the site. Now, regarding the representatives as well, we have created an account where he can see all the information, the memberships of all those people who are joining the project from different countries. This will make the work very effective and will also build trust between the boss and those who are involved in the project. And as you can see, we have very good news, my friends. We now have the membership of Vietnam and Indonesia in the ELECTROATOM Free Energy project. Regarding these members, there are certainly two new representatives, Tranwen for Vietnam and Eddie Sonardi for Indonesia. Undoubtedly, you can see that ELECTROATOM is expanding, and this is forming a very good team. And then, good news, we congrats our brother Christopher in Togo, who has improved his status, moving from partner status to specialist level. So you can see at the level of Togo, it's someone who is doing a good job and he is encouraged, he deserves to be. And then we go to Nigeria, where we will participate in 4 platform workshops in Nigeria, which will be held in Lagos, in Abeokuta, a port city, as well as in Abuja. We will now communicate the dates. As for the dates, they are from the 19th to the 26th of October and from the 2nd to the 9th of November. The event will therefore take place at Sensation Free Sensation Hall in Lagos, as well as in Abuja and many other cities. So don't hesitate. Take part in this conference. It is an opportunity for you to gain more information about the ELECTROATOM project, as well as to be informed about any concerns regarding membership and how to develop the project. And then we will go to Ouagadougou, of course in Burkina Faso, where the representative Zoro, the representative of ELECTROATOM, who is in Ouagadougou, will hold a conference where several people will have the opportunity to ask questions to gain insight into the ELECTROATOM project. Stay connected, come in large numbers to attend this conference. Don't forget, ELECTROATOM has come to revolutionize. And then on November 3rd, 2020, we will go to Lomé, where a conference will be held, which will be led by the representative Christopher, who is in Togo. Come in large numbers because this is an event that will be very promising. The location will be at the Eli Palace Hotel, and the time is from 2 p.m. Come in large numbers, come support this ELECTROATOM project that aims to establish itself in Togo. And there is also very good news on the agenda. So, we have representatives of the ELECTROATOM project who have arrived in Côte d'Ivoire, coming from 4 countries, Gabon, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, and also Benin. This will be an opportunity to organize a large conference to provide as much information as possible about the ELECTROATOM project to all those who wish to join the project, as well as to become partners in this ELECTROATOM project. So it will take place in Abidjan, Ivory Coast. Don't hesitate, take part. It's very... And then at the level of Abidjan, Ivory Coast, we have very good news. ELECTROATOM has its office, which is located in Abidjan, Cocody, and there are daily meetings where people can come to acquire knowledge and gain insight into the ELECTROATOM project. I would like to remind you that the office has been open since September 15th, so you can come every day to get information. At the Crocodile Sandstone level, you will see the ELECTROATOM office and you can come to get information. This is also an opportunity for you to ask any questions to the representative Moussa Konir, who is currently in Abidjan and is overseeing the progress of the ELECTROATOM project. We will now talk about the beginning of the assembly of the power plant at the Tribal Technology Workshop. So, the assembly at the Tribal Technologies Workshop has come to life. For all those who were wondering, you can see that we are working to bring the project to fruition. Of course, we have structured everything accordingly. And very soon, when it is finished, you will see the signs, you will see the testimonies that will be coming soon. So, this is a station that will revolutionize everyone. revolutionize the world in the field of technology, bringing something new to relieve people and give them a better outlook on life. And then we will talk about finalizing the ELECTROATOM project. The ELECTROATOM project launches a fundraising campaign, and this fundraising for all investors will end on October 15th, 2020. This is therefore your last chance to invest, because after the date of October 15th, the income from shares will decrease, making it very expensive again for anyone who wishes to invest in the project. So don't hesitate. For all those who still have questions, you can now invest in the ELECTROATOM project before the date of October 15th, 2020. So after that date, the income will be minimal and it will be very difficult to buy steps, so you have the choice between yourselves. And that was all for today, guys. That was all for today. So feel free to participate in all our conferences that are organized in all African countries. But feel free to follow us on all social media platforms. It's on YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram. Don't hesitate to follow us. I would like to remind everyone that ELECTROATOM is not just a project, it is a revolution in the field of energy. So it starts now. It is